Welcome to our guide on the main steps involved in the software development process. Whether you're building an MLM platform or any custom software, these steps ensure a seamless journey from concept to launch. Step 1. Collecting plan details and requirements. Every great project begins with collecting plan details and requirements. Step 2. Analyzing the plan and consulting. The plan is analyzed and refined through consultations with stakeholders. Step 3. Analyzing the requirements. Requirement analysis breaks down the needs into actionable components. Step 4. Collecting requirement specifications in detail. Detailed specifications are gathered and documented, leaving no uncertainty for developers or stakeholders. Step 5. Preparing the final specifications and plan document. The final specifications and plan document act as the project's blueprint, guiding all future steps. Step 6. Signing up the contract. With everything agreed upon, the contract is signed, marking the official start of the project. Step 7. Splitting the work sections. The work is divided into manageable sections, each focusing on specific areas of the project. Step 8. Assigning teams to sections. Teams are assigned to each section, ensuring that every component has a dedicated group working on it. Step 9. Listing tasks and splitting to 3 levels. Tasks are listed and split into 3 levels: the first phase, the second phase, and the third phase. Step 10. Splitting tasks around sections. Tasks are distributed within sections, promoting collaboration and efficiency. Step 11. MLM software development starts. The development phase begins, translating the plan and specifications into a working product. Step 12. Assigning a support team for the project. A support team is assigned to handle queries and ensure smooth communication throughout the project. Phase 1 is completed, covering initial development milestones and functionality. Phase 2 adds further functionalities, integrating more complex features. The final phase completes development and rigorous testing, ensuring the software is ready for launch. Finally, the software is launched, ready to make an impact. Thank you for watching our guide on the software development process. With a structured approach, success is just a step away.